Though you might not think of Honda as an off-road kind of company, fact of the matter is that their all-wheel drive system is legit, and vehicles like the Ridgeline and Pilot have the ability to find traction where others struggle. So in swaggers the all-new 2019 Passport, designed for adventure seekers who want superior off-road capability. While the compact and three-row SUV segments are teeming with entries, the more traditionally sized 5-passenger group has recently been neglected, but is gaining steam once again. And that's where Honda slots the Passport, between the smaller CR-V and family-sized Pilot from which it is based. Though a front-wheel drive Passport can be specified, it's those equipped with torque vectoring all-wheel drive that stand out on the trail. With snow, mud, and sand drive modes, a wider track, increased ride height, and more aggressive approach and departure angles than the Pilot, the Passport encourages drivers to go off-road. Honda's iVTM4 all-wheel drive system works to send power to the wheels that have the most traction in off-road conditions, unlike some all-wheel drive systems that can leave low-traction wheels spinning. Even when one wheel is off the ground, iVTM4 sends power to the wheel that has contact to pull the Passport through and ensure momentum. This setup also improves cornering power in on-road conditions. Though sharing the Pilot's wheelbase, the Passport is 6 inches shorter for easier maneuverability on the trail. Powering the Passport is Honda's tried and true 3.5-liter V6 connected to the next-generation 9-speed automatic transmission. Power is rated at 280 horses and 262 pound-feet of torque, affording up to 5,000 pounds towing. Expect 21 to 22 mpg in mixed driving. Pricing starts at $33,000 for a two-wheel drive Passport Sport, while EXL, Touring, and Elite trims are available, topping out at around $45,000. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammes.